is about the Part 3 FAQ. Let us see what is the content for this Part 3 FAQ. If I have floor plan, can you help me to calculate? Yes, please WhatsApp your floor plan to 019-988-7585. We stated down your details. Our online team shall give you contact and feedback to you. How to order if I do not have floor plan and I don't know how to measure the area? Okay, you can refer for the selected online promotion which may complement with the sub-measurement services. You can place the order and our online team will contact you for the measurement appointment and also arrangement. So the next question is, can I install the flooring by myself? In fact, all the flooring materials are able to install by own, but selected type of the flooring materials are more prone to DIY, example, dry bed vinyl or self-adhesive vinyl. The other type of the flooring material may need more installation tools during the installation. We do have uploaded most of the flooring installation video guide onto Floatable official YouTube channel. You can search from there for your reference. So next, do you provide installation service? Yes, we can do supply only or either supply and install. Okay, for today's FAQ is up to here. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.